welcome back to my channel. On today I will show you how I bake my chicken. My chicken's already washed and clean, guys. If you do not know how to do that, I do have a video up showing how to clean your chicken. Okay, I went ahead and put some slits in my chicken so we can make sure the seasoning gets inside our chicken. And also, if you want, you can remove the skin, but I choose to keep the skin on, so this way our chicken will not dry out, and also the skin brings flavor to your chicken. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead. Let me wash my hands, because I just touched the chicken before I touch my seasonings. All right, first of all, I will start off by adding some paprika. We're just gonna cover it. And what I'm gonna do is just add some seasoning on the top, and then we're gonna go ahead and massage the seasoning all over. Next, I will be using some adobo, like that. Some black pepper, just regular old black pepper. Just add some in like that. That's good. I will add my non-MSG Maggie. I'm gonna add just a little bit, like that. We're gonna add some onion powder. Some garlic powder, some roasted garlic powder. Don't forget your fresh lime juice. It's perfect. We're gonna add our Haitian Epis. That should be enough. That's fine. And also, I will add just a little bit of the dry oregano. I'm just going to sprinkle some on our chicken like that. That's good. And now, with clean hands, you want to go ahead and massage your chicken, making sure all of the seasoning is all over your chicken. Just want to show you this part. Just want to make sure the seasoning goes inside of the slits so it could be nice and seasoned. And now I'm gonna allow this to marinate at least for an hour, or you can let it marinate overnight. And I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, my chicken, I allowed it to marinate for an hour. So now what I'll go ahead and do is just add some bell pepper to our chicken. Then we're gonna add some onions. I also like to add a Scotch bonnet, because once it begins to bake, it's going to release its juices, and I want the flavor of the Scotch bonnet in the liquid, so this way I can make a delicious sauce. I'm going to go ahead and put aluminum foil over it, and I'm going to allow it to bake at 350 for about 40 minutes. But halfway through, I'm going to remove the foil and remove my Scotch bonnet. All right, I'll come back and show you that. At this point, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove our aluminum foil. Our chicken is smelling fabulous. So we're gonna allow it to cook uncovered for the rest of the way. Do you see that nice liquid is producing? Let's just make sure our Scotch bonnet is touching that liquid. Okay, guys, I'm gonna push it back in, and once it's cooked, I'll show you what it looks like. Here's our chicken. I just pulled it out of the oven. It's looking lovely. The house smells amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and make a sauce with the liquid that's on the bottom of the pan, and I'll show you how I serve it. All right, just want to show you how I will make my sauce. Just add just a little bit of oil to this pan. Now to my pan, I'm going to add just a little bit of tomato paste. And we're going to allow this tomato paste to cook. We're going to allow our tomato paste to cook so we can get rid of the raw taste of the tomato paste. Okay. And what I also like to do is add some tomatoes. This is optional. So we're going to allow everything to cook for about a minute or so. All right, it's been cooking for about a minute now. It's looking good. You do not want to burn it. So every so often you want to come in and stir it. So I'm going to add the liquid. Okay, that was in our pan, but I want to strain it just a little. Let me start off with a little bit at a time. Let me go ahead and stir it so this way we can get our tomato paste to, yes, break up a little bit here. I'm going to reduce my heat to a medium low, and I'm going to add the remainder of my liquid. Okay, so you strain it because you don't want all of this in your sauce. Okay, that's perfect. Now to my sauce, I'm going to add some butter. And we want a little heat. So this time around, I don't know if you watched me on yesterday when I made my chili pepper sauce. I'm going to go ahead and take just a little bit of my chili pepper sauce because we want to add a little spiciness to it, guys. This is going to add an amazing flavor. We don't want it too spicy. Just enough heat. Wow. Now you're going to allow this to simmer for about, I would say about a minute. All right. If you notice, I want to show you the consistency, guys. It's a little thickness to it, but it's still liquidy. It's perfect. I'm going to add my bell peppers in now. We have our bell peppers, and we're going to add our onions in, and we have a fabulous sauce for our chicken. Okay. All right, here is our delicious baked chicken. It is absolutely delicious. Here is the sauce that we created. I just poured the sauce right on top of our chicken, guys. It is fabulous. Until next time, please like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe.